What if your training could simultaneously develop your mind and body, enhancing not just your physical skills, but your ability to think, react, and adapt? That's the concept behind athletic and movement neurogenics. Commonly, we think of training in two separate areas, physical fitness and cognitive ability. But what if they could work together? Athletic and movement neurogenics are innovative approaches that develop both physical and internal components of athleticism. They go beyond traditional training by enhancing your brain's ability to process information, adapt to new situations, and improve motor learning, all while building core fitness abilities like strength, speed, endurance, and power. In sports, it's not just about how fast or how strong you can be. It's about how quickly you can process information by making decisions and executing movements with precision. Neurogenics helps athletes improve adaptability, perception, anticipation, and rapid decision-making. For example, being able to read the field, adjust your strategy mid-play, or react faster to an opponent's movement gives you clear advantage in competition. Both athletic and movement neurogenics uses drills that challenge the mind and body simultaneously. Imagine doing a footwork drill that not only builds speed, but also requires you to process and respond to unpredictable cues, like changes in direction or quick mental changes. Through these exercises, you're strengthening your biomotor skills, such as agility, coordination, and power, while also developing cognitive abilities like working memory, attention, and cognitive flexibility. Neurogenic training is a combination of building skill and fitness traits, while integrating cognitive demands that have also been known to enhance athleticism. For example, you might do a sprint drill that challenges your reaction time, while incorporating lateral movements or strength training exercises that require focus and quick decision making. These drills don't just build muscles. They assist in wiring the brain to enhance performance by improving how you process, store, and use information in real-time situations. Any athlete, whether beginner, intermediate, or elite, can benefit from athletic and movement neurogenics. It's especially valuable for those looking to gain a mental edge in their sport. These methods work for team sports, individual competitors, and even those recovering from injury. By improving not only physical attributes like speed or power, but also internal traits like focus, resilience, anticipation, and cognitive adaptability. Athletes can perform at a higher level more consistently and with fewer mistakes. Athletic and movement neurogenics are about more than just training harder. They're about training smarter, connecting your mind and body in a way that accelerates performance and unlocks your full athletic potential. Remember, movement is medicine.